Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Edge 30 Fusion, and I'll show you how to unblock number on this device. So first let's open the phone application and then click here on the right upper corner. Now tap here to the settings and tap to block numbers. Here we can see now two numbers in our device blacklist, and just to remove one from these numbers from here you should click here on this X icon. Just click here and tap to unblock. Now we can see that this number unblocked successfully. By the same way you can remove all of the numbers here. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.